Hi, it's Chris at the Quilter's Nook. Today I wanted to show you something that we've been teasing you about and you've seen pictures of, but I wanted to show you exactly what's going on and kind of explain this whole program. So this is Half Pack Quilts. This is a program through Sassy Sunflower, fun little name. And I'm going to show you all the quilts that we have, and then we'll go to the half packs themselves. So our first quilt is Square Affair. It's a nice little quilt. These are all kind of lap-sized quilts. Next we have Candy Lane. That's a fun one. Pinwheels and strips. Can't get much easier than that. These are all fun to do. These are good day quilts if you're looking for something to get done in a day. Spin Me Round. Pinwheels and 4 patches. This one is Square Affair. So that's a fun little guy. I like this next one. This is Window Pane. Of course, we did it in Halloween, and I love the little strip down the center. Got the little squares all going in a row. That's kind of fun. So that's Window Pane. This one is Picnic Basket. I think this is one of my favorites, not just for the fabric, but just how easy the blocks are to construct. So that's Picnic Basket. And we have Hashtag. This is a good one for all those big prints you don't want to cut up. That's why we did this one in Tula Pink. So that's Hashtag. And last but not least of the quilts, we have Quick Strip. As the name implies, very easy, quick to do. So those are the 8 quilts that we have. And then we have a tote bag. And this is a cute little tote bag. It's got a nice big pocket up front, and it's got pockets on the inside. And anybody that knows me knows I don't do bags. And I made it, and I think it turned out kind of cute. So these are the 9 projects. Here's what you get with the patterns. You're gonna choose a half pack. So these are all 5 half-yard cuts of fabric. We have a ton of different styles here. You pick one of these, you pick the pattern that you like, and for $39.99, you've got a quilt top. Simple, easy. I think they're kind of fun. I mean, we've got batik packs that are kind of pretty. We've got pretty blue packs. Anything you could want. Pinks, all sorts of things. And we're making new ones all the time. So this is how this half pack quilt process works. Pick your favorite fabrics, pick a pattern you like. I'll get you the pattern, and then you go make the quilt in a fun day. Speaking of that, we're gonna do a Sassy Sunflower sewing session. And it's gonna be in July. I don't remember the day offhand, but it's gonna be in July. You watch for the date. If you come, and if you don't have one of these packs yet, you come pick up your pack, pick your favorite pattern, and we'll sit and we'll sew for the day. And I'll be here to help you if you have any questions or problems. And the total fee would be $50. $39.99 for the pack and the pattern, and $10 to sit and sew. If you already have one of these packs and you haven't put it together yet and you want to come hang out with us for the day, $10, since you already have the packs. And we're gonna have food, and we're gonna have some giveaways and fun little things. So it's gonna be a fun little party, and we hope you'll join us or consider joining us for that. So that is Sassy Sunflower. So I hope you guys come in, check them out. If you have any questions, let me know. Be happy to help you out. Everybody have a wonderful day. Bye.